Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'm getting you all ready for the Super Bowl. Here's some of my videos you might want to try. The first one I'm going to tell you about is my deviled eggs. And I made it like deviled eggs, and I infused it with bacon, and I fried them. That's good. Look, check the video out. You might want to share that. I have butter fried ribs, and they are so good. I fried them like you normally fry ribs, and with seasoning, and I also glaze them. Once I fry them, I glaze them with honey and brown sugar. It is so delicious. I have some World Southern tuna salad. Some people, like tuna salad on during halftime or during Super Bowl. I have delicious fried pork chops. Something different to try. Most people don't cook pork chops, but this is a delicious way to fry pork chops. I have Thanksgiving potato salad, you must have. I have game-changing halftime chili. It's really good. Chili, you can see the vegetables in it, the chili beans, and all the spice. I put a lot of spices and follow my instructions, and you'll get the same results. Share this with friends and family. Also, fall off the bone sweet barbecue chicken is a must. Delicious egg salad on breacher bread is delicious. I also have barbecue meatballs, and I stuff them with jalapeno pepper and mozzarella cheese. I also have pig in a blanket, something different like a hot dog, and you stuff them with different things, chili and anything you want to stuff them with, and you wrap them in bacon and put them in the oven. I had that also. Pig in a blanket and with homemade fries for the young at heart. And it's easy to do. And I have world best pig feet. Oh, those pig feet are so good. If you want pig feet, they're not that expensive, but it's something different. I think people, your guests will enjoy. I glazed one, and I think I barbecued the other one. I also have some rib chips, which is very good, delicious. If you don't like these videos, I have over 400 videos, and I know you'll enjoy any of my videos because I put the best in them. Thank you all, and share these with friends and family, and have a good Super Bowl. After you all finish eating all of my delicious recipe that you try, it's time to settle down, and it's party time. Enjoy this video with me. Do it with no hands. Now stop popping things. Yeah, that's in trouble. I like it when she's moving. I'm undercover. Once again, thank you all for tuning in to Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful Super Bowl. Thank you.